Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to create this updo hairstyle without any braids. You only need to twist hair for creating this updo, so this is very easy and great for beginners. Start by taking some hair from the both sides of your head. Tie that hair piece with the elastic. Then flip the hair and pancake the edges. Next, repeat the same again, only this time I add hair only from back, so not from all the way from side. And yet I do the same. Take some hair, tie with the elastic, then flip the hair and pancake the edges. After 3 twists, I take some hair from the side. I twist that hair strand and then pancake the outside edge to get more volume. Then I tie that end with puppy pin on the other side behind the 3 twists. Next, I will take some hair from this side and also the piece that I left on that side from the another, and repeat the same. So just twist hair and pancake the edge, and once you over the middle line, then you can tie that braid there with the puppy pin. Put the rest of the hair to the ponytail and then twist that hair and pancake the edge just like before, but this time you have much bigger piece of hair. When you're twisted a bit, start to turn the braid as a bun and secure that shape with puppy pins while doing that. Then just continue twisting and pancaking. At the end, secure the shape using a puppy pins again, and then just add the accessories if you want to, and the hairstyle is done. Thank you for watching this video. If you like, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Have a great day and happy braiding!